everyone, welcome back, and in today's video I will be showing you how to play Lights Up by Harry Styles on the keyboard with your right hand. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds, and then I will go through each individual line, and we'll do that for every verse until we've learnt the whole song. And if you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1 and I hope you enjoy this video. So the first line of verse 1 is so we're playing F, A flat, B flat, E flat, D flat, A flat, G flat, F, B flat, D flat. So again that is the second line of verse 1 is, so it is F, D flat, D flat, D flat, E flat, F. So again that is. The next line is which is A flat, B flat, E flat, D flat, A flat, G flat, F, B flat, D flat. So again that is. And the next line is which is F, D flat, D flat, D flat, E flat, D flat and the lower B flat. The next line is the same as the first line, so it is so it's F, A flat, B flat, E flat, D flat, A flat, G flat, F, the lower B flat and then D flat. Again that is. And the next line is which is F, D flat, D flat, D flat, E flat, F, F, A flat, B flat, E flat, D flat, A flat, G flat, F, B flat, D flat. And the final line of verse 1 is D flat, E flat, F, E flat, D flat. So that is verse 1. Let's play it again. The next part to play is the chorus, and this is how it sounds. For the first line of the chorus, we're going to play which is G flat, G flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, E flat, F, D, G flat, G flat, A flat, G flat, F. So again that is the next line is, which is G flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, E flat, F, D. And the final line of the chorus is which is D flat, E flat, F, D, 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 D flat, E flat, F, D. So that is it for the chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to play is the bridge, and this is how it sounds. Line of the bridge we're going to play. So it's B flat, F, 4 E flats. So again that is. The second line is, so it's B flat, F, F, E flat, E flat. The next line is, so it's B flat, E flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, F. Then you can play those same 3 lines over again, so it is. And then you can play the first 2 lines again, which is. And then the last line of the bridge is the same as the third line that we played, but only half of it. So it's just B flat, E flat, A flat, G flat, F. So again, that final line is. So that is it for the bridge. Let's play it again. The next part to learn is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of verse 2 is. Which is the same as the first 2 lines of verse 1. So it is F, A flat, B flat, E flat, D flat, A flat, G flat, F, B flat, D flat, and then F, D flat, D flat, D Again, that is. And the next line is. F, A flat, B flat, E flat, D flat, A flat, G flat, F, B flat, D flat. And then the next line of verse 2 is D flat, E flat, F, E flat, D flat. And you play that same line 5 times, so it's, that's 1, that's 2, 3, that was 4, and that was 5. So that is everything for verse 2. Let's play it again. So after verse 2, you can play the chorus once more, and that's everything for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.